The media ring for the eXact2 improves the intermodel agreement between your eXact2 and first-generation eXact devices within a delta E of 0.5 on translucent substrates such as film. If your device did not come factory fitted with one, the installation process is simple and can be performed at your own location. Before you begin, ensure that your device is on firmware version 1.3 or higher, and install eXact2 Suite software version 1.0.6 or higher on a computer. To get started, you will need the following items: the installation kit, which includes the media ring, washers, and 2 different size screws, in the event that you lose your original device screws. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver number 0 or number 1, and your eXact2 device with a USB cable to connect to your computer. First, turn on your eXact2 and connect it to a computer containing the eXact2 Suite software via a USB cable. Launch the software and ensure you have established a connection. Click on Maintenance from the left navigation menu and then select Install Media Accessory. The Install Media Accessory window will open, allowing you to select the type of accessory you will install on your device. Select Media Ring as your accessory type. Lay your eXact2 device on its back and remove the 5 screws circled in red. Open the battery compartment door and slide out the existing media flattener by pulling it towards the front of the device. Once complete, click the right arrow to continue. Insert the new media ring, ensuring the holes align with the screw holes in the device. Do not remove the white sticker at this time. Use the 3 smaller screws along with the provided washers to reattach the media ring, slightly tightening the screws. You will finish tightening them later once the media ring is aligned. Once complete, click the right arrow to continue. While looking at the on-screen preview, use your fingers to adjust the media ring so the on-screen targeting reticle is fully within the black ring. Once aligned, hold the media ring in place and tighten all 3 screws. When the media ring is firmly secured, use the 2 larger screws that you previously removed from your device to reattach the battery door, tightening fully. Verify that the rings are still aligned after all the screws are tightened. If necessary, you can loosen and adjust the media ring. Once fully aligned and all screws are tightly fastened, click the right arrow to continue. Remove the white sticker from the media ring. These next few steps will train the device to detect the presence of the media ring. Place the device wheels down over the white outline located on the instruction sheet included with the media ring kit. Do not use the white calibration plaque in the docking station. If your original instruction sheet has been misplaced or damaged, you can print a new one from our website under the Product Support page. Once the device is in place, click Confirm. Now place the device wheels down on the outline containing the black square. Once again, click Confirm. Finally, place your device on its dock and click Calibrate. Click Finish once complete. You will see a window informing you that the device installation has been successful. You can click OK. Your eXact2 device will display an icon in the status bar at the bottom left to help determine whether the media ring was installed correctly and is present.